Your factory is literally venting thousands of dollars into the atmosphere every single hour. While traditional HVAC systems bleed money through wasted thermal energy, we've found a way to hijack that exhaust and turn it into a high-performance asset. Stop paying for massive compressor overhead and start reclaiming your lost profits. There is a massive disconnect between theoretical thermodynamics and the rugged reality of your factory floor. We are shattering the myth that aging industrial plants can't be efficient by retrofitting high-tech energy recovery ventilation into legacy infrastructures. See how we transform inefficient ventilation into a precision-engineered, cost-slashing powerhouse. What if you could slash your industrial overhead without replacing your entire HVAC system? We are bypassing the need for expensive, energy-hungry cooling by capturing wasted heat before it ever leaves the building. This isn't just a minor tweak. It's a strategic transformation that turns outdated exhaust into pure operational savings.